Hey guys, so we've got a pretty good trade in Bank Nifty or Nifty. I'll just share the analysis. This is the 1 hour time frame, and these are the patterns. The above chart is of Nifty, and the below one is of Bank Nifty, right? So what I basically feel that if we wanna go ahead and buy Nifty, we would definitely need it to break above this zone and the smaller pattern which it has made. So I believe that if we might get the chance in the future, I guess in the few next days we'll be getting to know the answer regarding that. It would somewhat around go like this, the trade according to me. And similarly, when this happens, we would definitely need a break in the Bank Nifty as well. Either Nifty is breaking out and Bank Nifty has taken a support from here and gives a breakout like this, and further on continues its bull run, right? So this will be the buy-in from my side. Because there's also a zonal resistance on the higher side. You can see first resistance, second, third, and previously also it acted as a acted as a good resistance over here. Similarly with Bank Nifty as well. But just in case if we don't see this trend, we could definitely go ahead and short Nifty and Bank Nifty. Shorting would not be such a good idea, but still we could give it a short under over here. Like you can see Bank Nifty is near about the same support over here. So I would think that Bank Nifty would either require to break down like this over here and finally take your next targets up till around this target, right, which is the zone of 37,000, around about 37,100 somewhere. And Nifty, yeah, it would somewhere break down like this until then, or else you might just wait for this both to break down together and take your targets in Nifty up till 17,400. Whatever it is, just make sure that both the indices work together over here and you are into the trade as long as both the indices are going together, so that you can get a big target over there and further on carry forward your targets, right? And also similarly, if I just show you the other charts which is basically dollar index and the SGX Nifty, I'll just pop up the charts over here. So you can see this is the SGX Nifty chart in the 4 hours time frame. This seems quite bullish to me, and I have no such problems until and unless it doesn't break this trend line in the 4 hours time frame. So that will be something which you'll have to worry about, because SGX Nifty gives you an overall view about how the index might go in the future, because it tends to run out more than the Indian trading times. So yeah, definitely if I feel SGX is breaking out in this way above on the upper side, I would just go ahead and wait for Bank Nifty to also break on the higher side, so that we can further on take out the trades in Nifty or Bank Nifty according to it. That will be the analysis for SGX and accordingly trade, because you need to have an overall good view at what the markets are leading into. So this is what my view is according to the SGX Nifty. Similarly, if Nifty is breaking down, you'll already get an indication before in SGX Nifty and also Bank Nifty, and you can short it below. Now coming back to DXY, which is the dollar index, which people don't know generally about or don't use. You need to see it because dollar index shows you the strength of the dollar against the rupee, right? So obviously if dollar index is going high, you might see FII is taking out their money. So this is what I see in dollar index in the 4 hours time frame. Better to look at 1 day's time frame to have a much larger view at where the currency, I mean the index is headed. For now there's a resistance, a good wick has formed, and there is a good rejection over here. So I feel that if we might see a good consolidation somewhat like this on a channel pattern type, we might see the same way according to Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So that the foreign outflows or inflows act according to what the dollar index is telling us over there, right? So that is all for the analysis, guys. I hope you like it, and make sure you do not miss these trades, because these both are consolidating a lot since a few days over here, and we might get a good target in the future. It might be like in the next 1 week or before even that. So just have a view and make sure that this is a 1 hour time frame. You might as well hedge it, and otherwise do a spread which would make you into profits, right? So that is all for the analysis, guys. I hope you understand, and take care until next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.